Welcome back to Tradition X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with a cold. No, just kidding. I have a cold, but I'm here with FabFitFun.
Yay! We probably got it after a lot of people, but we actually got it sooner, I think, than we thought we would. The only thing is FedEx. I had a thing or two to say to them because they thought my address wasn't really an address because
really big, so.
I live like in a house between apartments, and they're always like, "You need an apartment number." So they took mine away. And suppose they're bringing it tomorrow once they, they understood that I'm in the house on the property. So that was kind of upsetting because we could have opened ours at the same time.
I don't know if normally it comes in such a big box or not, but
she thinks she got some extra things for something, either rejoining or having me get one or something like that. She thought she got a couple extra things. But gosh, it does seem big today.
Okay. So that is what it looks like.
It only weighs a pound for mine, so I don't know.
In case you haven't seen it yet. Okay, and then I have to cut it because it's...
And if you have seen it and are watching our video anyways, thank you. Because we just got ours now, and a lot of people got theirs like a week ago or more.
And how much stuff is in it, if the stuff is like loose or not, so I'm trying to open it carefully. So you guys will be the first one to see whatever it looks like.
Well,
hopefully I'm opening it correctly.
Well, though, like what you've ordered and what, or like what...
Okay, so
there's the booklet.
Wow,
She looks familiar. I was like, who is she?
I didn't remember there being a booklet, but it's been so long.
Well, because it
since we've
shows
gotten
you
this
stuff you get, and then it talks about other stuff too. So
anyway, these things I don't.
I thought you could have given me the booklet.
We saw them in the mall, and I'm like, walk past them. What is this? To the beginning of a long and beautiful journey between you and Peppa. Off your first box. Wait, what am I missing here?
Let's probably give it to a friend or something.
Oh, share the love. Yeah, I was like, what the heck? Okay, so it says, hi there. We hope you're enjoying all the amazing things that came in your winter box this season. It's curated, love, 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 and we can't wait for you to unpack it all. So I think we had stopped getting it because we liked some of the products a lot, but then I think some of the products we didn't like.
It was like a waste of time and money.
I think so. We're kind of
code though. If you want the code, I did show it really quick. It's R like Richard EFZF 4TLSEW. There's okay, I'll just get really up close. But I'm assuming anybody could use that. So like that way, if you guys haven't gotten it and you do want your $10 off, it's not like we're an affiliate or anything, but it's a code.
So the first thing I'm pulling out is, how do you say that? Ahava hydration cream mask.
See,
I feel like we got that brand in something else, but
do you want to hand me things, or is that easier?
Well,
do you have a side?
I can set it, I think. Okay.
So that's the thing, is I wanted to know what we get. Some of the items are like lifestyle. I wanted to see what hers were compared to mine, but now we don't know.
Thrive Cosmetics, Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick, Stella. If this is remotely a brown color, that will definitely go in a giveaway. I'm thinking it's probably just going to go in a giveaway just based on
just looking at it.
Just looking at it.
I like this box because it does come with a lot, usually. I feel like it's a lot.
Elevate to essential oils, eucalyptus plus sweet orange with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. Is that how you say it?
I think so.
I hope. Oh, sorry, because it has like 2 different oils inside. I guess. I thought it was like soap or something, but I guess it's maybe. I don't know. I'm like shaking it. Shake it. Next thing I'm pulling out is over the knee textured
socks.
Richer, poorer design in California. Yeah, I'm guessing they're socks, right? I mean, obviously socks.
They're probably really cute. I mean,
yeah, we kind of have like thick calves. I feel like we belong being like soccer players or something. I don't know. We have like big calves.
Not to say soccer players had big calves, but we just have really big calves from.
But like, yeah. So these,
walking a lot when we were kids.
I'll try them. I'm just saying they might be a little too tight. Just
we walked everywhere from like city to city sometimes.
Okay. Is that Oribe?
Yeah, I like that.
I don't know.
I would like it better.
Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Oh, that's a huge.
That's a huge. I wonder if it's as big as the thing is, though. Sometimes it looks like it's big, and then
I know, and then
there's
like,
something inside that's like that big.
It feels like it weighs like the size it is. And then Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care made with pure Moroccan argan oil treatment mask. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. So that should be good for me.
I wonder if you use one. I know at least it's a good size for your hair, but I wonder if it's one you use in the shower or if you like put it on before. I wonder how it's used because I already have one for the shower.
And then is it black? Is that how you say it? Eye mask, hyaluronic acid.
Black. I don't know.
It's like black you. No, just kidding. It's probably black.
Black you.
Is that? There's Skinesque, or Skinesque, I don't know, Skinesque, brightening balance hydrate.
There's a
I guess-
cleanser,
yeah,
an essence, and then a brightening charcoal.
mask.
Yeah.
So I guess there's like 3 things inside here.
I was gonna say this box I think is around 50, give or take. If you have a coupon, it might be 40, something like that a season. Sorry.
Okay, and then I think this is the last thing, right? Is Mark and Graham. It's like a throw, I'm guessing. It doesn't tell you what it is, right?
Well, in the booklet it would
Probably,
but
but anyway, I think it's a throw as far as I can tell.
I just wish I had mine. I want to know like if I got all that same stuff, different color. But we'll show my video tomorrow. I mean, whenever we show it, we'll show it. But when I get it, we'll do a video too, just to see if I got different things. If I got all the same things, then I won't do a video because then that's kind of pointless. You've already seen what we get, you know, obviously. But if I get different, I'll let you guys know. Just because sometimes they do give you something like necklaces or something. So I'm wondering if I'll get something like that or something artsy. If they still do that, I don't know. But that was it for this video.
And we filmed, already said that we filmed 5 videos yesterday and 2 today.
Yeah.
So
if
you
you
see
see
us
the
a lot
same
in bloom,
clothes,
that's
it looks
why.
like we don't ever change our clothes. It's because we did a lot of back-to-back videos. But thanks for staying with us this whole entire time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you saw anything you like. We do like this box a lot, but again, sometimes we just don't need all the products it comes with. But it's pretty good mostly. I'd say like 85% of the time the products are good.
I like most
And
of what's here.
don't forget to subscribe to be part of our next giveaway. We're going to do it at 200 subscribers, and then we'll see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.